Welcome back to Ride Radar, where we take you through the cars that are shaping the road ahead. Today, we're talking about a model that hits a sweet spot in Volvo's all-electric lineup at the Volvo EX60. It sits neatly between the smaller EX40 and the flagship EX90, giving you the space, luxury, and technology you want, without feeling oversized or overwhelming. This isn't just another electric SUV, it's Volvo doing what they do best: safe, stylish, and smart, with a sustainable twist. Let's break it down. From the outside, the EX60 is unmistakably a Volvo. It's clean, calm, and elegant rather than flashy or aggressive. The face of the car is smooth, with a closed-off grille because, well, it doesn't need one anymore. But it doesn't look blank. The surface has sculpted shapes that catch light and give it depth. Then you've got the updated Taurus hammer LED headlights. They look sharper and more modern, and thanks to Pixel LED tech, they can automatically adjust their beams so you see everything without blinding other drivers. The side profile shows off Volvo's talent for proportions. The EX60 feels planted and strong, but not bulky. Flush door handles add to the streamlined look, and the slightly sloping roofline adds a sporty vibe without cutting into rear headroom. Wheels up to 22 inches are available, with designs that aren't just eye-catching but also help reduce drag. Around back, Volvo keeps it simple and classy. Slim vertical taillights rise along the edges of the tailgate, a signature look for the brand. The rear bumper integrates subtle diffuser styling, more for stability than show. Overall, the EX60's exterior isn't trying to reinvent the wheel, it's just a timeless, well-balanced SUV that looks premium today and will still look premium years down the road. But Volvo doesn't stop at looks. This SUV has thoughtful design features built in everywhere. The aerodynamics have been engineered carefully, from the underbody panels to the sculpted side mirrors, to give the EX60 an impressively low drag coefficient for its size. That means better efficiency and longer range. The panoramic glass roof isn't just big, it's treated to block heat and UV rays, so you don't cook inside. The charging port sits neatly on the driver's side rear fender, and it supports both AC home charging and DC fast charging on the go. And then there's sustainability. The EX60 uses recycled aluminum, carpets made from old fishing nets, and upholstery options that skip animal leather in favor of recycled or responsibly sourced materials. Step inside, and the calm Scandinavian design takes over. The cabin feels open, minimalist, and filled with light. The centerpiece is a large vertical touchscreen running Google's Android Automotive System. That means Google Maps, Google Assistant, and apps like Spotify are built in, and no phone required. The system is fast and easy to use, with over-the-air updates to keep it fresh. Behind the wheel is a digital driver's display, and higher trims also offer a head-up display so you can see navigation and speed projected on the windshield. The materials make the EX60 stand out. You can choose a wall blend that's warm and breathable, or Volvo's Nordicoat upholstery, a vegan material made from recycled plastics that feels soft and premium. If you want traditional leather, it's available, but Volvo's push towards sustainable luxury really shines here. The seats themselves are fantastic. Volvo is known for building some of the most comfortable seats in the industry, and the EX60 continues that tradition. They're supportive on long drives, with optional heating, ventilation, and even massage. Rear passengers aren't forgotten either. There's generous space thanks to the flat floor, and heating is available in the back too. The trunk is roomy enough for family trips, and up front you also get a frunk, perfect for stowing charging cables or smaller bags. For sound lovers, Volvo offers an optional Bowers-Wilkins system with speakers integrated into the headrests, turning the cabin into a private concert hall. Even the standard Harman Kardon setup is excellent, and thanks to acoustic glass and the natural quiet of EV motors, the EX60's cabin is whisper quiet, making it feel like a sanctuary on wheels. Now, let's talk performance. The EX60 comes with dual-motor all-wheel drive setups, producing between 400 and 500 horsepower depending on trim. That translates to a 0-60 time in about 4.5 to 5 seconds, quick enough for confident highway merging or overtaking, without trying to be a sports car. Range is expected between 300 and 350 miles, which puts it right up there with key competitors. And with DC fast charging, You can go from 10 to 80% in under 30 minutes. At home, the 11 kilowatt charger will easily refill the battery overnight. On the road, the EX60 focuses on comfort and control. Steering is precise, handling is stable, and optional air suspension lets you adjust ride height depending on conditions. It's smooth and composed rather than sporty, exactly what you'd expect from Volvo. Whether you're in city traffic or cruising on the highway, it feels relaxed and confident. And of course, safety is front and center. The EX60 is packed with advanced driver assistance. Adaptive Cruise with Pilot Assist can handle speed and steering on highways. Lane keeping and blind spot monitoring keep you centered and aware. Automatic emergency braking can detect vehicles, pedestrians, and cyclists, even in low light. There's also a 360-degree camera system for parking. Volvo's reputation for safety is unmatched, and this SUV continues to push the envelope. Price-wise, the EX60 is expected to start at around $60,000, with well-equipped higher trims reaching up towards $75,000. That places it right against rivals like the Tesla Model Y, Audi Q8 e-tron, and Mercedes EQC. But what makes the EX60 stand out is its sense of balance. It's not trying to be the fastest or the flashiest. Instead, it's a calm, confident SUV that combines timeless design, sustainable luxury, real-world performance, and Volvo's legendary safety. So, who's the EX60 for? It's for families who want practicality without going too big. It's for professionals who want luxury without shouting about it. And it's for anyone who wants to go electric in a way that feels responsible, stylish, and future-proof. That's the Volvo EX60, a sweet spot in Volvo's electric journey, and one that's likely to be a hit with buyers who value balance above everything else. This has been Ride Radar. If you enjoyed this in-depth look at the EX60, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss our latest reviews.